I'm like stiff on my neck. I slept during way last night.
You did?
Mhm.
It's alright, I'll take care of that neck. Right there. Straighten the bottom one. There you go. Good.
Just
On
go
the side
ahead
for
and
me?
right here.
Yeah. Right. Good. Alright, fish around.
That was my favorite.
I know.
Yes.
Come on up.